It all started with wanting to play with the funny turn-by-turn audio featuring Paw Patrol.
In 800 meters, turn left.
And turned into a deep dive into Waze, an awesome driving navigation app with a mission to save the world. I've known about Waze, a driving navigation app for Android and iOS, for a long time, but I've never found a reason to use it. I'm an avid Google Maps user and I use it for driving directions regularly. It's a very full-featured tool that pretty much covers everything I need. However, it was after reading an article that Paw Patrol voices from the kids' TV show have been added to Waze that I decided I wanted to revisit the app. I didn't realise that what started as a little experiment would establish Waze as my go-to app for driving. Waze is not supposed to replace Google Maps, but can actually complement Google Maps with its superior navigation features, despite not having any interoperability, even though both are owned by Google. Where Waze differentiates itself from Google Maps is that it gamifies the driving experience to help achieve its mission statement. Waze wants to improve people's lives by minimizing the traffic on the roads. In turn, their efforts are trying to contribute to reducing factors that lead to poorer health related to stress and pollution.
And traffic really is the worst. It is killing us literally. Not millennial literally, but literally killing us. The longer you commute in traffic, the worse is your blood pressure, your sleep, your back pain, your weight gain, risk of depression, drop in happiness, even divorce rates go through the roof. Traffic is ruining the environment, with 30% of CO2 emissions coming from transportation.
Unlike Google Maps, you won't be using it to research locations, get recommendations on places to visit, or writing your own reviews. The app is designed to focus on the process of using your vehicle to get from point A to point B with the least delay. Waze lists its main features in Google Play and the Apple App Store. Real-time road conditions, alerts about traffic, the police, hazards and more on your drive, including preemptive routes and notifications before you set off. Speedometer that alerts you when you reach the speed limit to help you avoid fines and drive safer. Instant routing changes to avoid traffic and save you time. Waze also keeps you in the know about toll charges on your route for bridges, tunnels and highways. Updates on your ETA based on your live traffic data. Recommendations for the cheapest gas stations along your route, music and podcast app integration so you can listen to your preferred audio but never miss important driving updates and turn-by-turn directions, Android Auto integration, and audio personalization where you can choose different voices for turn-by-turn directions. As mentioned, what made me revisit Waze was the recent announcement that you can now download and use audio recorded by the same actors who provide the voices for the kids' TV show Paw Patrol. As part of the marketing campaign for the new movie, Nickelodeon has partnered with Waze by having the actors record turn-by-turn directions for trips you make using the app.
We made it! Next time you need help navigating to your destination, just yelp for help!
As a father of two young children, this makes journey with them in the car a little bit more fun and entertaining. Waze also features some other voices, including a member of a boy band,
You have reached your destination.
Red from Fraggle Rock,
We finished the silly creature driving game! Ooh, what's the prize? I hope it's a pile of radish bars! Hoo-hoo-hoo!
Master Chief from Halo,
Destination reached. Well done out there. I'll be ready for the next mission. Just wake me when you need me.
Isharam from Halo Infinite,
We made it. Another chapter in our great story written. Until next time.
80s pop star Boy George,
You made it. I look forward to sharing another cup of tea again soon. Until then,
and comedic human interpretations of a cat and a dog.
We have reached our destination. I knew we would. After all, you had me helping you. Now let's get inside so I can rub my head on a few things.
We made it! Oh, can we go again? Can we please?
Better still, you can record yourself giving the turn-by-turn directions if you're so inclined. After planning your drive, you can now take advantage of some convenient features. If you're meeting someone, you can share your progress just like Google Maps. Your contact will receive a message and for the duration of your journey, they can check on your progress. I've already mentioned the ability to find gas stations, but a great bonus feature is the ability to see the current gas prices at each of the gas stations if you want to save some money. As well as also having a handy button to find restaurants and fast food places along the route, there's an even handier button to help you quickly locate the best parking lots near your destination too. If you're planning your route from home, you can also use the live map on Waze.com on a web browser and send the route to your phone. The web version gives you a broader view of your local area, plus also shows you incidents and potential traffic holdups as marked on the map by other users. Another cool feature exclusive to Waze is the ability to alter your vehicle information depending on your mode of transport. Tapping Car Info will bring up a submenu where you can choose between private vehicle, taxi, motorcycle and electric vehicle. Each option will then recontextualize your journey by including more suggestions for HOV lanes, more convenient routes for motorcycles, or routes that pass more charging stations. If necessary, you can also specify if you want to include specific types of gas availability to further optimize your journey. Waze also has the ability to sync your Google Calendar and your Facebook calendars so that you automatically receive notifications about any impending appointments. The app will then send you a reminder for your upcoming journey, letting you know a good time to set off. Just like the Go feature in Google Maps, you can also save regular journeys or commutes you have for quick access. However, if anything, Waze's user experience is even more convenient with fewer menus to negotiate. When it comes to entertainment on your drive, Waze supports numerous third-party apps. Spotify, YouTube Music, TuneIn, Amazon Music and many more are available to connect with Waze. After connecting, you can simply ask Google Assistant or Siri to play your preferred app and the content, or manually choose via the menu. Waze also includes a number of deeper features that add some cool personalization and introduces some more of the fun gamified elements. Moods are little customizations of your avatar icon that you earn by using and contributing to Waze. These include licensed avatars from the promotional voice downloads, such as Paw Patrol. You can track your standing with the Waze community as shown by your points earned through your contributions. In the US, there's also a feature called Waze Teams that enables community members to contribute to their local TV or radio station to report on the latest incidents and traffic. Overall, Waze is a must-have app for those that regularly drive as part of their daily commute, either for work or for other reasons like a school run. The app strips out a lot of unnecessary features that you'll find in Google Maps which aren't necessarily important to a regular journey. The focus is on streamlining your journey to maximize your free time and avoid being stuck in traffic unnecessarily. If you find yourself making a regular trip by vehicle, Waze is the app for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.